Ohio goza maiso. Mga tsapa din naman tayo di kuha. Makakin na may artono kada may na Mandarin Chinese ngo.
Right.
Zhao Sheng Hao. Zhao Sheng Hao.
Right.
Feeling the Christmas vibes
right.
and
New Year vibes.
Wherever you are tuning in from, listening in from this morning, we say hello to all the drivers on our roads and to all the passengers. Andra, bulu binaka, we came in no kada, we did talk about my. Na yan sa sabagara. And nondangon baru takian Ouch Palangi Show.
Last Monday, Ouch Palangi Show on Monday for the year 2025.
Right.
Pangalita na ba ni nakalebe kim ni katsara kanta ninto patubol tikumay this fine morning. Melina the level. Yan Rabinaka. And also from John Kumar tuning in from Bararabeli Road, Sinatoka. A very good morning to you as well. To all the drivers out there, all the drivers saying good morning, sending our well wishes today as you begin another day of Bibakaleliti ko Ano mo ni bibakaleliti ko na sige mo nakaniku kito sa bayan rito yan especially to the minibus drivers from Corvo Nosori Suba.
Right.
Oh, you know when
they're doing a wonderful, great job.
Yes, they are doing a great job. I am traveling from the village every morning. And I reached
the village I fell in love with.
Oh yes, the village that I fell in love with.
Harap ka jay dating view, harap ka ratutaw, harap ka matang dikuha. To all our mothers tuning this morning, preparing breakfast and matakaday. We have a few days left before we say goodbye to 2025.
Yes,
and say hello.
To 2026.
To 2026. Okay, talo-talo mandan mo Christmas menakor.
Oh, Christmas menakor, wala nabo. Kita tiket sarga bago
before Christmas, turang na ita from Nabuebu.
Yes, they came. Nebuebu in Nanronga. Yes. They came 2 bus, 1 carrier, and they came for the wedding and also for the tebu and the first birthday.
Right.
Yes, Akanishi's first birthday.
Right. And there's one question this morning from Jay that you. And he's asking, where's my Tobata?
Oh, Tobata is still in the village celebrating. Yes, celebrating Christmas.
Right.
You will meet him tomorrow. I think he is on his way. Right.
We said to all the hospital staff, all the nurses, doctors, the kitchen hand, the gang ni Samsabay, the people in Bula, the Kevin and Matibolin, all the patients tuning this morning. We hope that in a few days' time, in a few hours' time, okay, so like clearance, like marutakan na nung sa sukango. Laki po mura sa rabi ng nabi so sa tukudi ko may bir na bunuay and nabi paling bulay na nonta bunua.
Maternity ward to all the mothers, the beautiful mothers delivering beautiful babies. 31 years ago, like this, I was also in the hospital.
31 years ago?
Yes, I was born in December.
Oi!
Yes, and I was a bit sick, so I had to be admitted in the hospital.
Don't we, sir?
Right. Yes.
Alright, our topic this morning will be a short one.
Okay.
Just tell us what you see, what you observe during the festive season in Menakoro.
Oh, okay.
Amongst the men.
Amongst the men, the men forgetting to eat. They are neglecting the food, the beautiful food that are prepared by the beautiful women of the house. Yes. So they chose to drink rather than eat. Use of the food that unfortunate
because they see the beautiful face of the mama and the beautiful take and the dress
they regretted they regret because they when we are eating and they are looking at the food they are sitting beside the grog bowl they forget that they have a wife yes
What are the some of the side effects?
And the children are calling them, Ta. Oh, you shut up. You go there to your mother. See? That's what happens. That is what. Hey, that's all.
Kin crew, kay turang naita, arto siya masarap chikumanan, nibu langi sarmanua, totoka. And abo mo alen dito, na matali ko. Okay, is there a time when the time...
Sorry, ponipate.
Ako sa sarili mambo, ko kuning unang mambo. Mesagul na tu
not controlling them. I'm not in control. They can sleep in the kitchen.
Okay, what's your take? What's your no message beira and se watching ko ando na bimbi.
Yes.
I mean, watching ko for the last few days of the year before we say goodbye.
Right.
The message beira kada na tatay na matani ko.
Okay, to all the grog.
Right.
Not grog first and then food. No.
Yeah.
This season, it is a season to eat first and then drink later.
Right.
If not, then yes, it's okay. It is your choice. And then us mothers and the children will make very good use of the food that you buy. Some men are buying the foods, but they are not eating it.
Maybe you are special to them.
Oh, thank you so
never
much.
Mind, they don't eat. Let the mamas eat and the papas eat.
Yes. Because we are the very important. But you have to be very mindful of your health.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we will reach 2026 and you will be leaving behind 2025.
Pagod rin ako ikimuli kada rabi okani sa mga pagkatami sa likuha. On the outs pa lang iso do nga pagubuli kaya sa mga tao ko do na maramatina. Ano matagdi ko sa kana katsu ko ni santo ta kana ngune ko sa lunta pata na turang iloma. Sa ngule tabi na kakana, sa ngule tabi na lubenda, sa ngule tabi talaga nandu watinda. Sa rakadibi may ngone do ya na sakanasa sa kadibi tu ya kanis. Sa don tamo ni dala lew. Do sa kadibi do me kadibi dua o nandamai sa kadibi tu bungona si tumbuna. Sa esa tu sakya na binakang bulisia o Tarachani lutu na singa. Arna yanra, sema ni Australia, Queensland, wurin rala boy, ena matake na indai. Tuitedi, ena binaka na matake di kuwa, o di binaka na buni kira nama giti ko na watawa sa toke matanda na ngonogo. Ena binaka semi koro bula-bula. Tama ka nabi, do nubi na boleh besar turungan night. Na boleh besar bito kanyan matake binaka di kuwa.
Right.
Do. Na boleh besar John Kumar kan binaka sa J
Ray, may sote ko tatso ya binaka.
Do.
Lala malebuti ya di bikin do.
Do na ya sa do ya di.
Ada di Dorbo.
Ya di Dorbo.
Apisay ko may tay sa masarte ko may New South Wales. And matakan ni ko ando ya binaka.
Tikala. Where's my tobata?
Right. Jeda timbiu ya binaka.
Na boleh besar bikin do kada kilo sana may tataw ke. Like hack mata kira no mushare. Ana matag binani ko.
Right.
Kalau macam orang bola